You take one puff, and I'm stuck cleaning it for 3 whole days. How is that fair? Every time you blow smoke, I choke so hard I feel like collapsing. I was designed for fresh air, not to be your personal smoke vacuum. You enjoy your little puff, but down here I'm fighting for my life. I clear one cloud, and you fire another. Give me a break already. I'm sweeping smoke all day, while you blow clouds like it's a magic show. Every puff you inhale sets off alarms all over my system. Blow smoke in my face again, and I swear I'll shut myself down. I send clean air up, and you drop a smoke bomb right back. Why? Cleaning your smoke is harder than any workout I've ever done.
Puff, puff, defeat! Keep it up, buddy!
You think it's harmless, but your smoke turns my world into a disaster movie.
Don't be such a spoil sport. It's just a little vapor. Please, you two.
I'm filtering toxins while you cruise around making vape storms. I'm barely hanging on from smoke overload while you pretend nothing happened.
Hold on, Foy. Just breathe.
Your smoke tornado tosses me around like a rag doll every single time. One more smoke blast, and the whole body factory is going to explode. My airways are turning black. Can you please stop for one day? I'm trying to breathe, but you keep sending thick clouds right into me. Your smoke spins through me like a toxic hurricane. I can't keep fighting this. I'm ready to release clean air, then boom, another puff from you. I'm fighting for every breath, and you still want another puff. Please spare me.